Hello, Dad.
Hello.
So I'm at Goodrington Sands, and I'm just waiting for the 10:50 train to Kingsware. Somewhere up there. Just zoom in. It's just stopping for some water. So this train will take about 20 to 25 minutes to Kingsware. Just hear the whistle. So it's going to run along the British Riviera, English Riviera, down Torbay to Kingsware, which is on the River Dart. It's the other side of Dartmouth. So yeah, just hear it coming in. So there's loads of signage for activities, and just on top of there, up there is Splashdown Water Parks, Key West. Way outside, the old British one. So yeah, it's going to be quite a good train ride, and I might do another video when I'm on a train. It's like a proper steam train, stopping at signals, I think. There's signals down there. And there's like a nice train hut up there. So there's ice cream, coffee, tea. It's a really nice old vintage train station. So see you in my next video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.